Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve.
Hello, it's Fat Sandra, but I'm not fat.
And together, we're Spices Media.
So, I've been here an hour and it's still not come, but there is a sign, this little station called Bach or something like that. There's a sign here, there's 8:52 Chester on time. It's probably faster and you can't see it. It's now 8:21. Dun, dun, dun. So folks, the train finally come and I've got to Chester and I've got a Costa and a real cup with real cream and 30 minutes to wait for the next train. So that's just a little bit for you folks. Let's see if it'll play. So it's been a strange journey, this one. I said I've been waiting for an hour and a half at a station down there. I was watching Charlie Beach in Manchester yesterday, and I'm going to watch Billy Moore and Andy Public Auditor later, and a few more I think. So for now, I'm just trying to do a little minute. What are we on? We're on a minute. I'll catch you later. I'm outside the station at Chester. Let's just give you a little look. I'm just having my last fag before I get on this train. I've got a Costa in there, just cooling. This is just one of them little 1 minute clips for you. It could be coming into a station, I don't know. We're way out in the country, I haven't a clue where I am. And, I might know. Oh look, there's a fire station. And, it's not electric, this line. Which is, I'm used to electric all over where I normally go. Oh, it's here. Where are we? Flint. Oh, we're at Flint. So we're nearly in Wales. No star mocking Tuxtine. So, Flint. That's amazing, folks. So that was quick. So, as I say, I'm actually, I think I'm in Wales. Ooh. I don't know, they've not asked me for my passport yet. I'm at Colwyn Bay, and I was just going to get you this nice view of the sea, and there's another train pulled up in front of me, so we might be moving in a minute. I'm up out the chair, I'm balancing. I've got a young man here that can catch me if I fall over. But he's got headphones on, he's not, oh he can hear me, Things you do for YouTube. So we're off folks. Now, is that train moving or am I moving? That's the question. This is the Christ, that's a long train. Colwyn Bay. Oh look, we can nearly see the sea. I could see it a minute ago, that's why I got up. I'm heading to the lift and I've got to get to platform 4, so I need this lift. Man's coming to assist me in a minute, so that wasn't too bad of a journey really. He's coming now to help me, and I'll be over to platform 4. I don't know if I'm going to do this in 1 minute, 2 minutes, or it might even be 3 minutes. I'm going to head down here. I don't know if this is the train or not. I had a guide with me and he's disappeared. Oh, he's getting the ramp for me now. So these are Welsh looking trains by the look of things. And here's the disabled spot. So he's here, but there's no crew. So we don't know who's driving. We don't know if it's going to go this week or not, but it should do. Thank you very much. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve, Spices Media. It took me 4 hours and I'm here at Llandudno, and here's this nice little train and this nice man helping me off with the ramp, and let's see how we get out. I don't know. Ooh, look at this, it's nice old Victorian looking posh station, isn't it? And we can't get out through there, I don't think. Look at these big buffers. Big buffers. Now, the important thing now is to have a fag. And let's try and get over here. I don't think we can get out through that bit. Let's hoping I can get out through this bit. And oh yeah, we've got a curb. We've got a bit of a curb, and we've got a chance to light a fag. So the fag is nearly lit, and that's the important bit. So I set off early this morning, and the train to Chester didn't run for an hour and a half, so I spent some time there. I watched the Charlie Beach video, and I think I've got the DJ Media and oh god, Billy Moore to watch, and possibly the lad from Nottingham, forgot his name. So, excuse me, here's the station. I haven't been down here for a while, probably 15-20 years. And as we come to this street here, this leads to the main street by the look of it, I think, if I remember. Just down there is the main street. So I'm probably trying to do a 25-30 minutes along these streets in Llandudno. We've got that great horn up there, which we'll be heading towards when we get onto this main road. So I'm on Osmo 3, which doesn't like the SD card that's in. It says it's filming, but it keeps warning me that it could crash at any minute. So I'm going to do this one using the Osmo 3, and then I'll probably do one with the Osmo 2 after, in case it hasn't worked. There's a nice arcade here like Southport. Quite a lot of this place is similar to Southport, to be honest. It's quite just about that time. I'm not sure if it's Victorian, but it was once a busy seaside town, and probably still is in a way, but not in the same league as Blackpool, I don't think. So I'm just trying to grab a fag. We've got a second-hand shop here, I think. Oh no, it's a flower shop. Flowers and umbrellas and bits of clothing, I don't know. Bathrooms over the road. Oh, look at that for a lovely shop frontage. Beautiful, folks. Beautiful. Now, as I get to this main street, I think straight ahead goes to the seafront, and left is the shopping area. So I'm going to try and get down that shopping area for you. Oh look, he's making a statement, isn't he? His camera's being a bit of a bugger. Let's just zoom a little bit. Should we stop? We'll stop in the middle of the road and have a fag. Oh, that was nice. Right. So we should have enough light to stay in that small zoom. Nice big Trudeau Castle Hotel, I think it says. So this is the main street. Now heading down towards the hotel where I'm going. Again, there's so many brilliant restaurants that I remember from here from 15-20 years ago when I was a millionaire, shall we say, of sorts. So we've got Chinese themed gifts and novelties coming up. Can we get over here? Yeah, not too bad. The Broadway Hotel over there, and then there's a big modern Marks and Spencer's that way. Let's just have a look down here. There's nice stuff as we look down the street.
Need to keep further back a bit.
Because of these. No, it's alright. Cheers, Chuck. Yeah, just some unusual smoking jackets there, I think. But they don't seem to be smoking. I always thought smoking jackets were smoking. They're unusual. I've never seen anything like that. It's weird. More of them here, oriental looking stuff. What a weird looking shot, Chinese themed. Oh, that's why it's got oriental stuff. So again, as I said, there's these nice canopies, a bit like Southport. A bit touristic, this bit. We've got umbrellas, we've got sunglasses, we've got ducks, we've got caravans, motorbikes, flags, Welsh flags, St Vincent's charity shop, and now I'm going through a cafe. Carte d'Or. Can we have some of that there, Carte d'Or's ice cream, please? Thank you very much. That's just what we need. RSPCA. So like most towns, looking at what I can see up to now, it's predominantly charity shops, which are the only sort of people that can afford the rates. And it's quite a shame the country's ended up like that. Interesting little shop there. Shah Barber. What on earth's that all about? We've got a traditional rock shop and doggy bowls. And rock and dog bowls, tea towels, you name it, socks and slippers, grandma slippers. We've got everything here, folks. Everything. The wool shop, and that's shut for some reason. I don't know why. Got a lovely big church over here. What the fuck's he gone to Llandudno for? I couldn't resist it. I was in Chester and it was just an hour and a half away. We've got some scooters here, and just along here is a scooter hire shop. Well, there was 20 years ago, so there probably still is, but we don't know. Little luggage, handbags, little dogs barking, glasses shop shut, and we got more plastic buckets and spades, fancy hats, brollies, walking sticks, bags, more hats. So have a little look at this big church over here. We've got a KFC here, which I've just missed. and that wind is very, very bad and very cold. There's a mobility centre, but it's shut. Christ, that's a big scoot. Huge thing. More novelties and gifts. Red dragons for Wales. Let's just have a look at this big dragon. We'll just have a little, take a picture of this big dragon, because we are in Wales. So look at that, that's lovely folks. Please do not touch. Very nice. Right, let's spin. So in here we've got lots of Welsh gifts for you. Cheers, man. This is the Welsh gift shop, folks. Now what's this? Trinity Square Cafe. I didn't know we're in a square. Is that a Trinity Church? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know. So I think this was the corner where there used to be the mobility shop, I think. Oh, it could be the next one along. We've got the promenade just up there, which I'll do later. So we've got cats protection. Over the road we've got British Art Foundation and the usual suspect shops. The X fact, Jesus Christ, I'm falling. I'm on the slope here, and I'm going to fall off this chair if I'm not careful. The X Factory Outlet, Holland and Barrett. British Art Foundation, as I said, Pandora, Santander. Oh, Poundland, I've got a Poundland, quick get in here. They bound to have something different than in every other Poundland. Oh, will they? No, it'll be the same old stuff. This looks like a beautiful church, but it's got scaffolding on it, folks. So we'll try and get what we can see of that. That is very nice. But scaffolding up the top, which means it can't film it very nice. It's got lovely stone. We've got a little shopping centre over there. That wasn't there that I knew about. And it looks like a service in this church here. Now here we've got doggy daycare centre, and they're all having a wonderful time sniffing each other.
Oh, absolutely.
So is this like, are you sniffing as well? Thank you, ladies.
Take care.
So have we got another one in here? Now it's bad enough people pushing dogs around in prams, but this lady's pushing she's pushing her shoes around in prams. I thought I was completely insane. All right, thank you very much, love. So what nice people we've got here with a sense of humour outside a sense of humour shop. Now we've got what looks like some entertainment here. I've never seen this. This is a weird one, and I need to pick my nose, and I can't pick my nose and drive the scoot. Now, I think one of them's a real person. Yeah, definitely one of them's a real person. We don't know about the others, folks, but I'm on this hill. So he's a bit like the let's just get off these ramps. So that's quite nice. I can't explain what's happening, folks. You're right, man, you're alright, thank you. So it's just sorry, go on, you're alright, you okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's only YouTube. So that is quite unusual, folks. Very good. Now I'll get my bodyguard to put some coins in. So I'm going to leave you there for a bit. Thank you very much. Got another entrance to this shopping centre over here, which I'll do afterwards. Right, let's just bypass this rolling roadblock. Look in the edging room, woolen mill. Another entrance to an arcade over there. I might come back down there in a minute, but I'm nearly at the hotel, I think. I don't know if I can get through here or not. Again, I'm going to have to dodge over. No, I can do, thank you. I'm going to get to the end of this main street and come back down it. It'll either be 30 minutes or 2 30-minute videos, I don't know. Let's get me specs. I'm on 16, so we're doing alright. We'll probably get to the end of this street. More food by the look of it. More food, Vicar. Right, is this where this mobility hire shop is? I'm not sure. I'm coming up towards the end bit here, when I'll be near the hotel. Western Union vape shop. So we've got fish and chips, ice cream parlours. There's the sea over there, folks, and very nice. Llandudno, beautiful. Oh, try and get up here. And that west, I remember being asked to leave there during the Bach frauds. I went in there and they suspended my account, and I had a kick off and I lost. No, I didn't. I did. I ended up leaving. I think there was something like 135 grand in an account, and they closed it. They told me I'd have to go back home and get a cashier's cheque to open another account. So that was a difficult time, folks. So we got Mountain Warehouse over there. Dad's wish list, look at that lot. Oh, it's Father's Day, isn't it? I like the look of that. Hey, Chuck. So Dad's wish list, it must be a reference to Father's Day. I certainly won't be seeing my kids today because I'm not here. Well, I'm not there. And as I say that, there's my daughter's name, Claire's. Mental, folks, mental. So we've actually got a post office and a WH Smith's in one. Now that's quite rare, isn't it? More of these canopies, but they've not got the glass roofs on like they used to have years ago. Phone case, smashed windows, and we've got a Sainsbury's local with no junkie outside. Now they might not have junkies in Wales, I don't know. It's very, very windy and very cold, blowing on me quite bad. I'm going to have to get back on this bit. And look, there's a scoot there like Dawn and mine, but it's got white wheel arches. That's different. So just a few more shops here. That's the hotel. I think I'm going over there. think that's the Grand. Let's just have a little zoom. It is. So that's where I'm heading to after. But I'm going to audit a few more of these shops first. And I'm going to knock off after about 20 minutes on this side. And then film the other side of the street. Just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Love to eat, curse folks. Love to eat. Lots of people queuing. Are they queuing? I don't know. Just seen a little train. A little tour on the train, folks. That looked good. So I'm back behind who I've been behind for about an hour now. But no, it's more like 9 years, I think. We need to jump down this little bit of a curb, and I'm almost got to. Scoot's gone, crashed out on me because it's too bumpy. I'm almost, oh good, and it's crashed again. Oh, we're going to have some trouble with this Scoot, folks. It doesn't like some of these bumps. It may have got a little bit wet in the night. So these are the last few shops on this side. And round about here was a restaurant that I used to go quite a lot, an Italian, that used to do a beautiful steak. Whether he'll still be here or not, I doubt it, but you never know. I think it was on this corner coming up. Yeah, no, it was round here somewhere. It's a bit bumpy. Right. That wasn't it. That wasn't it. Dessert heaven. I think it's on the corner here of this alley. And it says Mediterranean restaurant. And it looks like it is still the same looking place. Now about that, folks, it's probably 20 years. I used to come here most nights when I lived in Diganway, and they used to do beautiful food. So it's closed at the moment. We'll just point up there to that great horn. I'll flick back on myself. I think, let's get the zoom out. I think I've got what I want. I've got the restaurant behind me. I don't know if there's a sign there. I'll get back in. So for now, it's Fat Steve in Llandudno. I'm going to hit this fence in Llandudno, outside what used to be one of his famous restaurants when he had money, folks. So let's get my little glasses on and have a look. So that's been from the station to here. That's 23 minutes. Why does he keep timing everything? To try and get a gist out of what I'm doing. I've been in that many places and lately on this little tour. So 23, 24 minutes, 25. So for now it's Fat Steve, Spices Media, outside one of my favourite all-time restaurants with that Great Horn Hill, I think it's called. To behind me somewhere up there. I fucking know as well, but I don't. Right, I'll catch you all later. Keep safe, everybody. I'm freezing. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye. Hi, everybody. It's Fat Steve. Hello, it's Fat Sandra, but I'm not fat.
And together, we're Spices Media. So bye everybody, Fat Sandra and Fat Steve, Spices Media.